and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option, how to enable high contrast text in Realme 14 Pro phone, how to turn it on, how to turn it off, where to find it. So, first of all, we need to go to settings, then accessibility and convenience, then accessibility, next vision tab at the top, and now we are looking for the high contrast text on the menu list. And here it is. So it's a simple switch on and off. There are no other hidden options here. As you can see, our text is bolder. I will turn it off and leave it as it was, and turn it off. Yes, please. Okay, and that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.